Hey friends, Vince here, welcome back. As you can see, things look just a little bit different. I've moved, so as you can see, we're in a completely different kitchen, and I'm excited to give you a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you something that every cook needs to know how to make. A simple pot roast in the crock pot. Something you can put in there, let it chill out all day, and you come back, and you got the perfect meal. Friends, if you haven't already, like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I make new videos on Thursdays. So when it comes to pot roast, the beef that you use is king. So today we're cooking with some prime beef. You want to look for that good marbling. We got some chuck here, just a little bit under 3 pounds. It's going to be delicious. So one of the great things about pot roast is that it's so simple. You don't need a whole lot of things. So we got some fresh vegetables, fresh herbs, a simple seasoning mix, potatoes, a couple of secret ingredients. You're not going to want to go anywhere. All right, time to show you just how easy this is. I got salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder right here. And we want to season our meat generously all over. Be sure to take your time here and rub your seasoning in all over. One of the easiest ways to separate a good pot roast from a great one is simply how well it's cooked and seasoned. Perfect. Now this is going to go right into our slow cooker. Now that our meat's taken care of, it's on to the potatoes. So got some beautiful baby red potatoes here. We're just going to quarter these. So one like that. One like that. Now that I got all the potatoes chopped and ready, I'm going to throw in 2.5 tablespoons of minced garlic. I got a couple of pieces of celery here. We're going to rough chop this. And when I say rough, I mean rough, baby. So we're just going to... something just like that, you know? This is just gonna give some delicious flavor to our pot roast. You know, it adds just a little bit of something. Now we're gonna coat what we have in this bowl with just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Just like that. Couple of organic carrots right here. Same thing. Quick little rough chop. And of course, we gotta have an onion, so. Once again, just a little rough chop, baby. And meanwhile, while we're finishing up these last couple of things, can't hurt to turn this bad boy on low. All right, guys, now we got our onion in here too. So that means onion, carrot, celery, garlic, potatoes, olive oil. You know it wouldn't be done if we didn't hit it with a little bit of seasoning. Mix that up a little bit. Okay. And this, as you can guess, is going to go right in here. So. Next, I got some organic thyme and some organic rosemary. So we're gonna let that join the party. 2 bay leaves. Couple splashes of that good stuff, baby. And you know, wouldn't be a recipe on the channel if I didn't have a secret ingredient for you. I'm gonna be using a milk stout today with a little bit of organic beef stock. So I'm gonna start by just pouring this milk stout all over our meat, our veggies, our garlic, our herbs. You can use any beer that you like, but this is a local stout that's delicious. I'm gonna grab some of this organic beef stock. And I know what you're thinking, Vince, I want to see it. What's going on in there? All right, let's show you. We're just getting started, and look how gorgeous this looks. So you see we got plenty of fresh herbs, plenty of potatoes, a beautiful color to our stock. And we're just gonna cook this on low. We're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you something that is beautiful. You saw just how quickly this came together. You wake up an extra 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes before whatever you got going on that day. You got food for everybody, baby. We cooked this pot roast for 7 hours on low. You might be tempted to cook yours on high, but I'm telling you, baby, it's worth the wait. And that, folks, is how you make perfect pot roast in your slow cooker. All right, guys, it's been 7 hours. Let's see how we did. You know I gotta get into this meat, baby. Cheers. That is so juicy. Little potato. Rock star. Thanks for watching. I hope to earn your subscription. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found value from it.